What's up, Internet? My name's Ian Bloom. Welcome to another episode of Min-Maxing Money. I'm your resident financial life planner and huge nerd. In today's episode, we are going to be covering term life insurance. Term life insurance is the basic life insurance that you have with your employer, but it's also insurance that you can get outside of your employer and pay for on your own. So what defines term life insurance? Well, it lasts for a term or a period of time. So you have a specific contract end date. That means that if you die within the contract, you are paid out the money, but if you live longer than the term lasts, then you are not given anything. Now, this may seem bad, but the advantages of it are simple. Let's talk about the stats. On the complexity side, term life insurance is pretty simple, so it scores it a 2. While there are still some nuances to term contracts, for the most part, they are pretty straightforward. You pay us X dollars a month, and if you die within the next 20 years, we pay your family Y dollars. It is that simple. Now, on the cost side, term life insurance also comes in at a 2. There is a cost to term, but it is really inexpensive for life insurance. Basically, you are going to be paying a small amount of money and taking the bet that if you do pass away, this life insurance company will pay out. Now, finally, on the time side, I put almost all life insurance policies at a 3. You do have to get certified medically to get term life insurance in the modern era. There are some companies that are doing better with algorithmic underwriting, but you still have to meet specific criteria. The application processes are a little wonky. So just know that setting up the insurance will take an amount of time, usually 1 to 2 months from the date of application. Now, the real question is it worth it to get term life insurance? And I would say yes. If there's somebody that you care about and you want to give them financial benefit if you pass away because your income won't be there or your retirement accounts will have to be drained for funeral expenses or something like that, then you want to make sure that you have term life insurance or some form of life insurance on yourself if that is important to you. If that's part of your life plan, then term life insurance is one of the most inexpensive ways to get covered, so I would say that in those cases, it is worth it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please follow and subscribe, and I hope you have a wonderful day.